Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tech. Today we will be discussing how to hide an application on your iPhone. It's a really simple process, so let's get right into it. First, find the application you want to hide on your iPhone. Once you find it, press and hold on the app icon until you see the context menu pop up. From here, you want to click on Require Face ID. Now you'll see a couple of options. If you just want to lock the application but not hide it, you'll select Require Face ID. However, if you want to both hide and lock the application, choose Hide and Require Face ID. For this example, we're going to choose Hide and Require Face ID. Once you select that, you'll see an information card explaining how hidden applications work on your iPhone. Basically, when an application is hidden, it won't show any information related to that application anywhere else on your iPhone. You'll only be able to access it once it's unlocked with your passcode or Face ID, which I'll show you how to do in a moment. So when you're ready, click on Hide App. And that's it. Your app is now successfully hidden from your iPhone. Now to access your hidden applications, swipe all the way to the right on your home screen until you see the app library. Then, scroll all the way down to the Hidden category at the very bottom. Click on the Hidden category, and you'll be prompted to enter your passcode or use Face ID. This will unlock and show all of your hidden applications. If you want to open an application, just tap on it. You'll need to use Face ID again, and then you'll be able to use the app just like you normally would. Okay, what if you want to unhide an application? First, go back to the app library and back to the Hidden Applications section. You'll need to unlock it again with your passcode or Face ID. Once you've done that, press and hold on the application you want to unhide. Then click on Don't Require Face ID. This will scan your face, remove the app from the Hidden Applications list, and it will reappear on your home screen, accessible just like any other app. And that's it. That's how you hide and unhide applications on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Thanks for watching Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.